Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you need a powerful network control in 2025, then sure you go with the Unifi or the Opnsense. So let's compare the setup, features and real world performance in this video. So first, Unifi. So Unifi is all-in-one solution, hardware plus controller based software, and its another feature is it has great UI with live traffic graphs, VLAN control, DPI, trait management and guest Wi-Fi. Super easy to deploy if you are using Unifi hardware like UDM or Dream Machine Pro. It's best for small to mid business prosumers, but there's a con that requires ubiquity, gear and internet connectivity to manage cloud-linked systems. Now let's head to the Opnsense. So Opnsense is open source free BSG firewall or router software, offers enterprise level VPNs, firewalls, rules and traffic shaping. Intrusion detection, the suricata and plugins, works on your own hardware. It is customizable, flexible, no vendor lock-in. Best for IT pros, privacy-focused users, and businesses wanting full control. Now the cons is steeper learning curve and no built-in wireless or AP management. So here is the final verdict. Choose Opnsense if you need deep customization, firewall precision, and open hardware flexibility. Choose the Unifi if you want smooth setup, great visuals, and plug and play simplicity with ubiquity hardware. So that's pretty much all thing. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.